Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a special video for you. I am going to be unboxing my Planner Babe haul. So I waited all afternoon to be able to record this for you guys, so I have not peeked in the package. So this is all from the new Planner Babe line that just released. And I honestly don't really remember what I ordered. So let's see. Okay, so I got the 2 sticker books. I got the mini and the classic. I got the half sheet note paper for classic size. I got the accessory book and the sticky notes. So we'll look at all this closer in just a second. I got the block pad. These cute dashboards. Now the reason I got these dashboards, I normally use my clear ones, but I think I can see through this one on my planner page, and it is actually a classic size, so it fits over the whole page instead of like their dashboards normally don't fit over the whole page. And then look at this. This is so pretty. It is even more pretty in person. So I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're going to take a look at this stuff. Okay, I'm so excited. I have big plans, or not big plans, but I have plans for this planner, but I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna use it for right now because I'm actually kind of testing out what I'm gonna use it for on a vertical that I have now. So there are lots of flip throughs on YouTube of these, so I'm just gonna show you real quick. I love the way the Happy Planner has started putting the perpetual calendars in all of their planners. So if you want like a detailed flip through, there's lots of those on YouTube. The squad members all have flip throughs, but I just want to show you that this is a fairly neutral vertical planner. So like I said, I do have plans for it. I'm not going to tell you quite yet because I don't want to mess it up. If I can't stick with what I want to use it for, I'll figure something else out. But I won't start using that one till January. So here's what the accessory book looks like. Now an accessory book has little note pages on this left side with sticky notes, and then it has several pages of stickers. So I don't usually reach for my accessory packs like I should, but I couldn't not get this. And then we have, I'll do a real quick like flip through of this sticker book. I just love these colors. These colors really remind me of the pastel mega sticker book. And I love the colors in that sticker book, so I knew that I would love these. So I see lots of pretty boxes, the discs. This is like my favorite part, is everything in the Planner Babe line has all these discs. So there's a quick flip through, and we'll do a really quick flip through of the mini here. So I'm so excited to use this planner. I wish January would hurry up and get here. This is so cute. Like the I guess the mini is also a vertical, so you see how skinny these are. These would fit perfectly in the vertical boxes of the mini planner, but you can use any of these stickers in any of your planners, no matter the layout. You can always work a sticker around what you need it for. So I know I'll be using those. And then the sticky notes, I'll open this real quick. I hope this sound doesn't kill your ears. I always end up buying all the sticky notes, and I could probably never in my lifetime use all the sticky notes that I bought, but these are so pretty, again, just with the colors and the discs. So this will actually go in the front of my planner. And then I bought this block pad. What I want to do with this is use it as filler paper. So if you didn't know, and I'm not going to open this right now because I don't have any scissors with me, but this is a classic size page. So you can tear these block pages off of this pad and actually punch them with your Happy Planner punch, and you can use it as fill paper in your planner. So I'm going to have a setup video for you guys, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. And then let me just look at these dashboards. So I just could not get these dashboards. They are so pretty. I'm sorry if my light is reflecting off of these. So the first one is striped, and it says stripes are my favorite color. And then this is what sold me, these discs. And this is fairly clear, so I should be able to still see my page. Yeah, I should still be able to see my weekly page behind this. And then this purple one is it says Planner Babe, and I'll probably use this for my notes section. I wanted to show you guys real quick on these. Let me move this so it's not terribly glaring at you. But on your dashboards, there is a thin layer of plastic film that you should pull off. So I usually forget to do that, and then months down the road I'll notice that it's peeling or like buckled over on the edges. But just so you know, there's almost on all of these dashboards, there's usually a thin layer of protective film. So that's it for my little haul, and I will have, like I said, a setup video of me setting up my Planner Babe planner. So if you guys want to see that and you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the little subscribe button. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell so you don't miss any notifications when I upload. And I'll see y'all on my next video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.